Hey doctor, we are from Group I and we are going to start our experience sharing. So my name is Hui, metric number 287982. I'm going to share my experience working on our University Assessment Management System or UAMS project. So our group chose to use ASP.NET with C# language to develop this system, and I was in charge of the user management component. So for the user management component, we aim to streamline several essential functions like user registrations, login, logout, password reset, forgot password, and resend confirmation email. So to achieve this, I choose to use ASP.NET Core Identity. And by reusing this existing component, I was able to save significant amount of development time and effort, as ASP.NET Core Identity provides a robust and secure framework for handling user authentications and authorization. And this allow us to focus on integrating these functionalities into our UAMS without worrying about. Next, for the challenges, one of the main challenges I faced when working on the project was to ensure that the integrations of ASP.NET Core Identity into our UMNS was seamless. Initially, I encountered issue with configuring the database context and managing migrations. So to overcome this, I used the context parameter for .NET EF commands, and this helped resolve the migration issue. Well, another challenge was implementing email verifications to ensure that new user verified their email address before they can access the system. I configured ASP.NET Core Identity to send confirmation email to user when they first register or they want to recover their forgotten password. And this involves setting up an email service provider and handling the email confirmation logic in our application. So throughout this project, I have learned a lot about component-based development and the importance of reusing existing components to improve efficiency. Working with ASP.NET Core Identity taught me how to customize and extend built-in functionality to fit specific project needs. Additionally, for me, I think effective and clear communication within our groups was essential to ensure that everyone was on the same page regarding the framework and tool we use.
Good day everyone, my name is Lim Zixing with metric number 287777. I am excited to discuss the development journey of the Assessment Details Management module for the University Assessment Management System using the component-based development process. This component allows users to effectively manage assignment detail through CRUD operation, which include creating, retrieving, updating, and deleting assignment information such as title, due date, instruction, and more. The main subcomponent for assignment management include input details, attack file, and categorize assignment based on different criteria to enhance system usability for better management and retrieval. During the development of this component, several changes surfaced. One significant encounter was ensuring seamless integration of different modules while maintaining data integrity. Managing complex assignment details and ensuring scalability were also critical challenges as well. For example, incorporating secure and efficient file upload initially presented technical difficulties, requiring careful attention to data management and security measures. Additionally, maintaining robust data validation and integrity throughout all CRUD operations required meticulous focus to avoid data inconsistencies and errors. To overcome these challenges, several key strategies were implemented. First, closely collaborate with the team to brainstorm solutions, refine a project, and conduct through testing. This enabled us to detect and address issues early in the development phase. Second, conducted extensive technical research and prototyping to enhance file upload process and reinforce data validation mechanism. Finally, implemented rigorous testing protocol to verify system functionality, ensuring smooth performance and reliability in various operational scenarios. Through this development journey, I learned valuable lessons. Firstly, I reached the crucial need for productive collaboration with team members to align technical aspects with user needs and project objectives. Secondly, prioritizing user-centered design, efficient project management, and adaptability are essential for managing complex development tasks. Lastly, I recognize the importance of dedication in problem solving and the value of adopting systematic approaches to overcome technical problems and achieve project targets effectively. In conclusion, developing the Assessment Detail Management module for University Assessment Management System was a fulfilling journey of growth and exploration. It not only enhanced my technical ability, but also expanded my understanding of project management, teamwork, and user-focused design. That's all for me. Thanks you for being part of this journey. Remember, every change is an opportunity to learn and improve. Happy coding!
Metric number 285440. So now I would like to reflect on my experience developing a university assessment management system. I'm responsible to develop the assignment tracking and progress monitoring component. So total has two sub-components, which are filtering and sorting, and second is the visual representations. So first, filtering and sorting. This function allows the user to filter and sort the assessment based on various criteria, including the assessment title, due date, course name, priority level, and assessment status. So for this function, I reuse the ASP.NET MVC component to develop this function. Second, visual representations. This function allows the user to view all upcoming assignments and their respective deadlines. It displays the color-coded entries for different courses or priorities on the specific dates on the calendar. When the user selects any date from a calendar, the corresponding event is displayed, including the details such as the assessment title and due date. So for this function, I reuse the ASP.NET browser component to develop this function. Challenges. First, firewall problem. When I debug the application, firewall settings block necessary communication channels required by the functions. A file is blocked by the firewall and the whole system cannot run. So, to overcome this problem, I discussed the issue with group mates to seek for their assistance and also search the solutions via Stack Overflow and YouTube. Second, complex data binding and performance also is one of the challenge. Because I have the visual representation performance, this subcomponent, so I need to display the data on the calendar. So binding a large amount of data to the calendar can impact the performance and make the UI slingless. Therefore, to overcome this challenge, I optimize the data binding by loading only the necessary data for the current view. Like I just said, I just display the current month data. Lastly, I also encounter challenge in setting up and configuring the database. I face problem when I try to establish a connection to the database server. Therefore, to overcome this problem, first I search the tutorial video in the YouTube, and then I use the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio (SSMS) to set up the database and interact with the application. This project is first, reuse the components can save time and effort. Instead of reinventing the view, leveraging the existing components improves the efficiency and maintains the consistency. Next, integrate the different components seamlessly in the system is essential for ensuring that they work well together. So it is important to understand dependency, manage the compatibility issues, and test thoroughly to verify the integrations. Lastly, teamwork is also important. Effective communications and collaborations can help to ensure seamless integrations and alignment with project requirements.
Thanks for the ex-presenter. Good day, everyone. My name is Cheng, metric number 2X6596. Now I'm going to share my experience about develop the automatic deadline notifications function in this system. So there are total two subcomponents here. The first is the customization options. Users can choose how frequently they want to be reminded about their deadline, and users also be allowed to set specific intervals. Next is the notification timing. Users can select specific times of day to receive the notification, such as morning, afternoon, or evening. So for the second subcomponent is multiple notification channels. So total, we have provided two platforms for users to choose for the channels. So first is the email notification. Users will receive the notification via email. So email is a widely used communication tool that allows users to receive the detailed reminders. So next is the in-app notification. So notification will be delivered within the application itself, the website itself. And the benefit is in-app notifications are immediately visible to the users who are actively using the application, using the website, and providing a seamless reminder experience. Next, I'm going to share about the challenges that I've made and the solutions that I've used during the development. So during the development of the automatic deadline notification, function, one of the main challenges faced was ensuring a stable and consistent connection to the database. Another challenge was integrating the notification systems with the database to ensure real-time updates and accurate the notification scheduling. Well, how I solve it? First is discuss with the group mates. So collaborate with group members to troubleshoot and resolve the connection issues, and also work with group to brainstorm and implement integration strategies. I really get a lot of the help from my group mates, especially the database connectivity issues. So next, I also have referred to online resources, look up the solutions on Google and consult forums like the Stack Overflow. So beside that, I also watch tutorials by using the YouTube tutorials to understand the common database connective problems and their fixes. Last, what I want to share is my learning experience during develop the system. So first is the database connectivity challenges. By linking the database is really hard for me, and finally I get solved it by my roommates. So during the development of the function, one of the significant learning experience resolved around overcoming the database connectivity challenge. So these challenges are highlighted the critical importance of accurate configuration in connection strings and the troubleshooting of network-related errors. Next is about the collaborative problem solving, engaging with group mates to discuss challenge and brainstorming solutions prove invaluable. Collaborative problem solving not only expedited issue with solutions, but also enrich understanding through diverse perspectives. So for the last is the resource utilization. So utilizing the online resources such as Google search, forum like Stack Overflow, and the tutorial videos on platforms like YouTube, and also the China video platform is called Bilibili, provided practical insight and step-by-step guidance in overcoming the technical hurdles. That's all from us. Thank you so much for your listening.